Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So this can either be a system issue or an app issue. If it's a system issue, then close the app, make sure that you close Facebook. Then from here you're going to go to your settings. From your settings you're going to go to your apps. From your apps you're going to then click on see all apps. And then from here, you're going to search for Facebook. Once you find Facebook, you're going to make sure to go to storage. And then you're going to click on clear cache. And then you're going to make sure that when you go back, you're going to go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are set to be enabled. Once you finish from that, you're going to close your settings. Then from here, you're going to go to the Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, you're going to search again for Facebook. Once you find it, then you can click on it. And if it says right here, update, instead of the blue button that says open, make sure to click on update so that it updates to the latest version. Once you make sure those steps are done, then click open again. Make sure that you are on proper data, so either Wi-Fi or data modem, that you are connected properly. Then from here, you're going to go to your profile. Then go to any of the photos that you would like to make sure that it is featured properly. Click on the three dots and then click on edit privacy and then make sure that it is set to public because sometimes it can show that it is private. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.